Happy holidays, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. I truly do hope everyone is having a festive holiday season. I am in Atlanta, Georgia, wrapping up Vlogmas for home decor tours. And I decided that I wanted to share with you some unique home decor stores as well as pieces. This is the Home Goods right here, and it has some beautiful statues. These lions here are about $1,000 a piece, and they're really, really unique and large in size, and they would make a great statement in front of a home. And look at these also that I saw. I really do like these pieces. As I was making my way around the city of Atlanta, I tried to stop into this art gallery here, Jennifer Blanco's, and unfortunately they were closed for installation. And I decided I would just peer into the window and see what they have. And they have some really great home furnishings as well as artwork. So the next time I make it to Atlanta, I'll be sure to stop in here and make sure that they're open when I do. And then I tried to go to Serena and Lily. Unfortunately, they are only open by appointment. So this location is in Midtown West, and it's really close to the CB2. Unfortunately, I couldn't get in, but I did peer into the window to see what type of furnishings that they have as well. Now, I'm going to move on to a home decor store called Etu Home, and they have really great reclaimed wood and hand-blown glass pieces. Really pretty boutique location. And this is located in the Lenox Mall area of Atlanta, Georgia. And then we're going to stop into West Side Market, where I interviewed a vendor owner, and I'm going to be wrapping up the home decor tour of Atlanta, Georgia. So stay tuned with me. Check out some of my other home decor tours, such as West Elm, Crate and Barrel, Restoration Hardware, Home Goods Ross. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy these tours, and I'll see you soon. So guys, I am in Westside Market, and I ran into one of the booth's owner, and she's going to tell you a little bit exactly what the booth is called, the concept, and the story behind her shop.
Well, hello everybody. My name is Johari Humbles, and I'm the owner of Buku Bahari. And what that means is a lot. Buku is a term we New Orleanians use when we're saying you have a lot of anything. So this is a gifting suite, and it's meant to be just an amalgamation of this is what the inside of my brain looks like. Okay, it's a beautiful mess as far as I'm concerned. But I used to get so many compliments on my house because I would decorate up to the hilt, and I thought Westside Market was such a beautiful venue that I thought it was a perfect place. But it's in honor of my mother, who was a original freedom rider.
Wow.
Named Julia Humbles. So a large percent, 20% of what we sell and what we make, we go ahead and give that to the less fortunate in different forms of electric assistance, gas, rental assistance, you name it. And we hope to grow. I mean, that's the point, to grow to the point where we can give more. It's not about making money for me. It's really about being able to give more. So that's the blessing.
Well, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you sharing your dream, your passion, foundation with us. And again, if you want to support, here it is here, Humbles Foundation. You can find Johari's booth at Westside Market, and it's called Buku Bahari, yes. And she's from Louisiana. I'm getting this jacket, guys. Yes, I am loving this. Look at the buttons and